Hello, everyone. So let's talk about the off-campus drive to be conducted by NTT Data. You can access this page by clicking on the link illuminateminds.com/updates. So NTT Data is hiring freshers for the Hyderabad and Bangalore location, and candidates from 2020 batch with BTech degree are eligible to apply for this job. So talking about the company, NTT Data is an innovation partner anywhere around the world. And with business operations in more than 35 countries, it emphasizes on long-term commitment and combined global reach and local intimacy to provide premier professional services from consulting, system development, IT sourcing to cloud-based solutions. So these are the details of the profile. They have not yet disclosed the salary. Talking about the candidate profile and criteria, the recruitment is for candidates who are 4 years full-time engineers passing out in 2020 with CS, IAS, IT, ECE, EEE domains. 60% aggregate throughout education is required. History of areas should not be more than 2 years. No standing areas or active backlogs is permitted, and there should not be more than 2 years of academic break. Nationality, of course, should be Indian. So the candidate would be required to open to work in support projects, open for cross training. They should have effective written and verbal communication skills. They should be open to work in rotating shifts as per the requirements. Talking about the analytical and problem solving skills, they should be able to understand issues, evaluate solutions, and work with their colleagues. And they should also have problem solving skills, which requires quick thinking to own and resolve customers' issues independently. So guys, this is a very good opportunity. If you're interested, you can click through this link, which is there on our website. And this has also been updated in the description box. Thank you.